Everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a haul from Hobby Lobby, and I got so many things there. They've already put up Christmas, and it was packed full of Christmas stuff. That store was just Christmas everywhere. Okay, first I got these right here. They're the sand ornaments, but I'm gonna use these for beads. And I thought it was neat because it has this little kind of key ring, jump ring here that I could add a chunky charm to. So I loved that. And then next, oh my goodness, I went to the My Little Christmas aisle where they have all the miniature tree ornaments, and I picked these up. I love these cute little pink reindeer, and I just think they're so adorable. I love them, so picked those up. I also picked some of these picks up, and I love the snowman. I thought that I could definitely use this for my Christmas projects. And I also picked up some more of these. The gingerbread and the snowflake. A lot comes in one pack, and they were having a sale as well, so I picked all this up. I didn't see these last year, but then again, I wasn't looking for them, and I wasn't looking for them either. I was kind of looking for some sort of, well, I guess I was, some sort of pick or decorative clothespin or something like that. And I found these, and then these ones, I think these are from last year. I didn't get a chance to pick these up, but I picked 2 of those. I forgot, I picked 3 of these, so definitely going to share. I guess I only picked 1 of these, so I picked 1 of these. And I also picked these up. These are not new, but I picked 2 of those. They were having a sale on the Paper Studio. I picked these up. They're shakers, and I thought I could use them in my embellishments as well. This one for traditional, and then also that one. And then I just randomly got this. I wasn't sure if I was going to use it or not, so I just picked it up anyway. So they're just miniature bows. There's the back. I could remove that and embellish our embellishments. Picked up these. I believe these are from last year as well. I'm not too sure, but I love the pink. That's why I got it, for the pink and the lighter colors, the white. And so yeah, I love these. These are cool. Of course, this isn't new, but I picked this up as well. They're just the miniature snowflakes. I love to hang those. And you guys, I picked this. This is definitely new right here. This is new, the mousses. These are in the new collection by, it's already open? No. This is in the new collection by Simple Stories called, I think, Little Frosty. I picked it up. So they do have mousse. Let's go ahead and open this because this is one of the collections that I will be using this winter, this Christmas, and I thought these were so cute. Definitely could paint those, and they're just made out of like cardboard, very thick cardboard. But if I wanted to paint those pink, I could paint them pink and add a different bow here. Possibly even add this bow right here. Would look really cute. Just cute mousses. Oh my goodness, it's gonna look so cute when layering and stuff. Can't wait to use these. So that one was a nice pick. And then I picked up these reindeers. I thought also these would be a good little layering piece that I could add. Also picked up these. These are not new. I love to use these in dangles. And then I picked up some more of this sewing thread, and I thought these went really good with that Frosty collection. Oh, what is it called? Little Frosty, I think it's called. I'm so bad with names, but yeah, I picked up that. And then I picked up this right here. Some of this like floral, Christmas floral. And I thought I would pick these little stems off and add them to embellishments as well. I thought that would be really pretty. I also picked up some larger snowflakes, and so also we'll be using this for layering. Lots of layering, you guys. I'm doing lots of layering. So I also picked up the paper because the Paper Studio paper was also 50% off. So I picked up this glitter pink and then this blue for that collection, as well as some cardstock. And I picked up the teal and the bubblegum pink as well. And then I picked up some of this faux leather, glittered leather from Hobby Lobby. And this is more of the iridescent color. And I picked this up to make some of those bows, those Hobby Lobby bows that Kayla has a tutorial on. I think those are so awesome to make because you could just whip them out and gift it. And they look so nice in your swap. So I picked this up. Picked 3 of those up, and that is my, yep, that's my haul, you guys. Hopefully you guys liked it, and then stay tuned for the walkthrough. And there was so much there, so Christmas is coming early. They have everything out, so yeah, I'm gonna crash Halloween for a minute, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye. I really love these trees, and I did pick some up. I was loving these reefs as well. Oh man, I really love these. These are really cute if I was doing a vintage. And the stars, I love them as well. They have a lot of gnomes as well. Oh my goodness, the rosettes. I think they're new because I didn't see those last year. Oh, I picked these up. These are the moose. Love them. Definitely will be painting those. More rosettes. And I love these reefs and the angels. Love them as well. Oh, the trees are amazing as well. The tags, I love those tags. And I love these felt. Look how tiny they are. I think they're so cute. Definitely will be making some this winter. Fingers crossed. And I love this little triangle reef thingy mabob. More gnomes. They have pink snowflakes to match the Simple Story collection. Oh, and these pink reindeer, these are the ones that I picked up, which I believe they're new. I'm not too sure again. I don't keep up on new things that much, but I believe they are. The Christmas trees I picked up, love them. The little hats, they're cute. Reindeer, I love the shakers. They have the reef, they have the polar bear, they have the Santa as well. The reindeer, they're so cute. And then these I picked up, the globe. Some snowflakes, these are from last year. Love these reindeer, picked them up as well. some more snowflakes, pick some up. I think I will be gifting some of these. Some ribbon. There's so much ribbon. My goodness, I went into the ribbon aisle and I didn't know where to begin. I love all the pink. I didn't pick any up, but there's so many to choose from. I was loving the white and silver, especially the blues. A lot of traditional colors. A huge sale they had on Christmas. It was nice to go and have your pick of everything. It was really nice. So there's the velvet. I love velvet. I always tend to pick it up but never use it. I didn't pick up this cord, and I hope I'm not going to regret it, but I love the black and white cord. Maybe I should have picked up some gold, but I thought maybe I should have used that because I have some ideas and I didn't pick it up. So some more ribbon. I should have picked up this right here. It's like a mesh, like a white mesh. And then look at this, you guys. You can make some polar bears out of those if you sew. Here's some of the wording, wood pieces. Pink truck, how cute is that? Advent calendar. Then it started getting to the home decor, so I walked over to these elves. Thought they were cute. Here are the Paper Studio stickers for Christmas. They were 50% off, so I would, if you see anything you love, go and grab it. I love those snowmen. Some nutcrackers. Some elves, some bears, they're cute. Some cardinals. Some snowflakes. So cute, those snowmen. Some poinsettias, Santa, traditional colors, and then this festive Christmas one. So cute. Love those bears. Okay, so this is off to the jewelry section, and this is kind of like in front of those aisles. And there were so many of these right in smack in the middle of the main aisle, and so much to choose from as well. Those reindeers are so cute. I'm thinking of making some pink ones. So hopefully, cross your fingers, I can do that. I like these wood pieces of Santa. They're cute, but in traditional color. And the candy canes, the twine, some ephemera pieces, the clothespins, some poinsettias, stamps. So much. They really stocked up this year. Some patterned paper. This is the Christmas basics. Just a quick flip through. This one is Winterberry. This one is Winter Wonderland, which was my favorite. This one is Merry and Magical. Very traditional and with some pinks here and there. So off to the other side of this cube, and you see some charms and earrings and bracelets and beads and some jingles. So the earrings definitely could become charms. I'm loving pine cones this year as well. I don't know why. I'm loving these snowmen made out of beads. Here's a bag of charms in silver. I was loving those lights as well as this one. This one is so pretty. It's just a pendant. And if you need teeny jingles here are they. You could definitely take them off the ring. Some earrings. 40% off. Again, 40% off on this side. And the only thing I saw was these little wreaths, which I believe were shown last year as well. Here's some flat stickers that I saw. Except for these ones. These are like a wood. And I believe those are from last year as well. These ones look new. I'm not sure if these were last year or not. Nutcrackers always gets me. If only they were in blue or pink, I would have grabbed it. I love the little kittens. Snow globes. Elves. Some more animals. I should have grabbed the last sticker batch of Santa. Some word pieces. They had so much this year, I got overwhelmed. So here are some wood reindeers. Those are nice to have for layering as well. I believe I did pick some up last year. Some little gifts, Santa and Mrs. Claus. Love those wood pieces of Santa and wording. Here's a little reindeer. Some more little knickknacks and a snowman. Reindeer and trucks. Some candies. Some more. These are the felt pieces. The penguins are cute too. Gingerbread, Santa, snowflakes. The Santa head was cute. This is the wood pieces that you can alter. Love the Nutcracker. Some more wood pieces that you can paint. I love the wood pieces, the bark or the log. Love the gingerbread. So here is some confetti, and I thought these were awesome. This is a confetti mix with snow, which you can just toss in your swap package. Here's some like table scatter, kind of like diamond. Some sequins, and that concludes the video, you guys. I did pick up this, and hopefully you enjoyed that and find something that you see here. I will see you guys like always in the next video. Bye.